What is our district name?
Kamareddy.
Who is our chief minister?
Levant Reddy.
What is our state flower?
Tangiri.
What is our state bird?
Indian Laurel.
What is our national bird?
Peacocks.
What is our national anthem?
Jinakanama.
What is our state tree?
Jammu Chettu.
What is our national tree? National tree.
Mango.
National tree. Banyan.
Banyan tree.
What is our state fruit?
Indian Laurel.
Hey, ఏమడుగుతున్నా? What is our state fruit? Fruit.
Peacock.
Fruit.
Mango.
What is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is our state animal?
Deer.
What is our national animal?
Bengal tiger.
How many districts in our Telangana?
33 districts.
What is your name?
My name is Pranavi.
How are you?
I am a girl.
How are you? How are you? I am
4 years old.
How are you? I am fine.
I am fine, thank you.
What is your father name?
My father name is Praveen Kumar.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Mamta.
How old are you? How old are you? I am
4 years old.
When is your birthday?
33.
When is your birthday?
13th May.
Where do you live?
Pikram.
How many days are there in a week?
7 days in a week.
Name the days of the week.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday,
Thursday.
Friday, and Saturday.
How many months are there in a year?
12 months in a year.
What is your surname?
My surname is Gadila.
Who are you? I am
a girl.
How many brothers do you have?
2 brothers.
Who looks after you?
Who look after you?
My
parents look after me.
Who is the principal of your school?
Sandila Disan.
What is the name of your school?
Blue Play School.
What color is the sky?
Blue.
Which animal gives us wool?
Sheep.
What color is the writing board?
Black color.
What color is grass?
Black color.
What color is grass?
Gadya.
Gaddi.
Green.
What color is your hair?
Kattavata. Kattava.
What color is your hair?
Black in color.
What color is your school dress shirt color?
Red white.
What is the name of our country?
India.
What is the name of our state?
Peacock.
What is the name of our state?
Telangana.
Which animal gives us eggs?
Hen.
Who is your class teacher?
Monica Madam.
How do you go to school?
Bye.
When does your school start?
8:45 a.m.
In which class do you study?
LKG.
How many boys and girls are there in your class? 13 boys.
13 boys.
And 12 girls.
And 12 girls.
What is the blackboard for?
Lighting.
Where do you sit in your classroom?
Bench on the seat.
What is the full form of LKG?
Lion, kindergarten.
How many meals do you have in a day?
3.
What do you call the first meal of the day? వాట్ డూ యూ కాల్ ద ఫస్ట్ మీల్ ఆఫ్ ద డే? పొద్దున తినేదాన్ని ఏమంటారు?
Dinner.
బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్.
Breakfast.
వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ సెకండ్ మీల్ ఆఫ్ ద డే? మధ్యాహ్నం తినేదాన్ని ఏమంటారు?
Madhyamama. Lunch.
వెన్ డూ యూ హ్యావ్ డిన్నర్?
Night.
నైట్. గుడ్ గర్ల్.